Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today it is a very easy program but it is a bit tricky also. So it is a guessing game. So in a file called game.py implement a program that prompts the user for a level n. If that if the user does not input any positive number, the program should prompt again. So let us complete this part first so that it will not be so tricky for us. So I will just ask the user for a level. Okay. Level is equal to input. I'm going to ask the user for the level. Correct? Level. So this level we have as the user and it is going to be an integer by default. Okay. So I'm going to ask this level to an user and they have said if the user is not going to give this level to be a positive number, we are going to prompt again. So prompting again comes inside our while loop basically. So I will write a while true loop. So I have asked this level inside a while loop and I need to check if level is going to be greater than 0. So if it is greater than 0, then it is going to be a positive integer, nothing else. Okay. If level is going to be greater than 0, what am I going to do? Um, I am going to randomly generate an integer between 1 and n. N is nothing but the level inclusively. So if this is greater than 0, I am going to generate an integer. So integer, maybe I'll write I is equal to random dot rand int is going to be nothing but from 1 to 11. So this random integer I am generating, so I need to import random. Okay. So I have generated a random integer now. Now what I will do is, so I need to ask the user to guess a number now. Okay. And here also prompt the user to guess a number. Then if the guess is not a positive number, then it is going to again ask the user. So first I'm going to prompt the user to guess a number. So guess is equal to input. Maybe I will write guess. GUESS. So I'm asking the user to guess a number and I'm checking if this guess is going to be so. So what is the thing I need to check? If the guess is smaller than the integer, then too small. Larger means too large. If it is same means I'm going to write just X. Okay. So let us try the reverse model. If the guess is going to be equal to I, then I'm going to write just right. Just right. And I will break the statement because we are going to come out in this particular point. If guess is going to be greater than I, if it is greater, then what I need to print? Let us check. Too large. If guess is greater than the integer, I'm going to print too large. Guess is less than I will print too small. So if you can see, in either of the case, we are going to prompt the user again. So I no need to write any break statement in either of the case, correct? So yeah, so till now it is okay. Now what we need to do here? So we need to now address the else for this particular state. Okay, I just did not write ls. I wrote else. So ls. So any one particular statement will be working in these three. Now we can go to the else statement for the if level is greater than 0. Else, if level is not greater than 0, then we need to ask the user for the level again. Level equal to, I'll just copy this line. Okay. So if I'm going to run this program, two times level will be asked. So what I can do is I can just remove this level, and by default we can make the level variable to be maybe -1 because 0 is also allowed for us. So if this is going to be okay, then everything is fine. But we have some other place where we need to again ask the user the number, like the answer. So what we need to do is we need to have a try block here so that again, if we are going to ask, we always should have a try and error block. So we are going to try all these things. If any problem occurred in any place, I'm not going to exit my program, but I'm going to continue with the loop for the second occurrence. Okay. So except I will continue the program till my problem is going to be solved. And second, I think indentation error. Yeah. So what I will do, I will not break, but I will continue. So we are explicitly saying that I am going to continue the program if there is any error occurring, because I can finish the program only if I am going to write the correct guess. Yeah, that's it. Let us check the code and see. Python game.py. Okay, now it's asking for me the level. So first let us have any other input, maybe cat. It is not an integer. So it should ask the level again. This is what I said. Even if the level I have made it as int, so it will throw an error if I am not going to write something which is other than int. Even if it is a throwing an error, I will catch that particular error in this except block and continue the particular program. So maybe I'm writing -1, then also I will continue my program. Maybe I'm writing 0, then also I will continue my program. Imagine I'm going to write 3. Now it will ask the guess. So I'm guessing mm, 2, two small letters. So it is going to be 3. Just right, and the program has ended. I think it was very clear now why we did the same thing. And yeah, you can also try different methods. If you have any solution which is compact than this, you can always share it in the comment below. I'll check the program for any error. Yeah, all green, and I'll submit. Don't forget to submit your code. And that's it for today. Bye bye.